All right, I'm gonna show you how to make them, but real quick, hit my motherfucking intro real quick. Play my intro.
You are now watching.
All right, so let's jump right into it. So today we're gonna be doing La Flame, Travis Scott. So let's jump right into it. We're gonna go to face. Let me show you just a quick some angles right here. Some you know kind of looks like him. I mean, closest you can get. I mean, they don't have his hair in the options, so it's kind of hard to get him. But anyways, let's go. So we start with this face right here, and then we go to you put that right there, that structure right there, and then that color, and then we go right over to the hair. Just go to the hair, and then we're gonna pick that hat because he wears that hat a lot. If you're a Travis Scott fan, you know that he wears that all the time. So put that black. Let's go to eyebrows. So we got those right there. Position. Pause the video and just get the stats right here. Just pause it and then continue. Color is gonna be that right there. And then let's go to the eyes real quick. And then he has those eyes right there. Position. Pause the video real quick. Get it. All right. Moving on quick. All right. Oh shit. Nose. Pick that one right there. Looks pretty good. Position right there. All right. Let's go to the mouth. I'll pick that one right there. Position right there. Pause the video if you have to. The color. Yep. And then facial hair, none. Mole, none. And that's it. That's about it right here, ladies and gentlemen. This is how you make Travis Scott. So enjoy and
It's lit.
it's lit.